Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video session, we are going to discuss about the Bootstrap tables and we will see how to implement the Bootstrap classes in order to get the beautiful styles inside the table or HTML tables. So let's get started. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so that you will get the latest updates about my channel. So now we are discussing about the tables, and I have told you that we are discussing about the bootstrap tables. So how can we say that bootstrap tables? Because we are creating the table using HTML table tag and we are saying it has a bootstrap tables. So what is the meaning of that? The actual meaning is that we are saying it a bootstrap tables because we are applying bootstrap classes that is built or developed in order to design the tables or simple tables like this created in the HTML in order to get the beautiful designs for that particular table. That is why we are saying there's a bootstrap tables, because these kind of styles are available in bootstrap if we are using bootstrap classes. That is why it is known as a bootstrap tables. So that is the basic idea about the tables in bootstrap. So we can see that here we can see it as a simple table designed using HTML tag, which is a table tag. I have three rows, sorry, three, I have four rows including this one. So this is a simple table. It's not just decorative or beautiful to watch, and we will never use these kind of simple tables in any applications or anything that we are trying to develop. So in that cases we will either use a simple CSS style sheets, or we can use the bootstrap tables, and I will prefer bootstrap because it will be much more easier than implementing the style sheets, because implementing style sheets might take much more time when compared to bootstrap. So let's see how to use this bootstrap inside the table. So this is a table I have created, and the code for this is written here. You can see it. I have created just four columns, and inside each rows I have created three contents. That is what I have defined here. So let's see how this bootstrap class works. Before that, I have included the container class, which I have discussed in previous video. If you have any clarification about this video, you can watch it from my channel, and the link for the this previous video has been given in the top of the video. So let's get into the table class. So this is a simple table tag, and if we need to apply a bootstrap table class, yes, we need to provide a class which is related to bootstrap and tables. So the first thing we need to understand is it is a table. So bootstrap is providing a simple keyword we can use is just table. If we provide this class, it means that we are using the bootstrap tables. So if we save it, we can see what is the difference. We can see that the table has been a little bit more decorative than what we have seen earlier. So this itself is a little bit decorative, right? So this is a simple bootstrap class. If we provide a class with the name table, it means that it is using a bootstrap table. So this is a basic thing for the bootstrap table. So this is not only available in this bootstrap classes, there are a lot of designs available for this table itself that I will show you right now. So I have shown you how the table for bootstrap is implemented. So this is a simple table. Consider I want to use this. I want the table to be bordered. I need each border to be separated, each columns or rows to be separated. So what should I do? Just simple thing is to use the table class. We need to use this class table, and then we need to do the other designing things that is related to tables. So I need to separate the each columns using the border. So what we need to do is just use the table border class. we just need to use this class. If we use this table border, we can see what will be the difference. If we refresh it, we can see the table has been separated with each columns. The border has been came into play while using this class. This is one of the feature of the Bootstrap 4 or Bootstrap classes. This is one case, and another case is if I just provide, we can just provide any kind of colors that is available in Bootstrap for entire table. If I need to make the color of table as primary, the primary means it will be blue color, and there are so many color codes which is available in the documentation, like primary, secondary, danger, etc. So let's see what happens if I use primary. Yes, the entire table has been changed to blue color or primary color. This is how primary table class of Bootstrap works. And another feature available in this table is this table over. Over means we can see what it happens. Yes, working. It means that we can see each row. When we point the mouse to each row, the table contents will be using the hover. The hover has been applied to each rows and columns. This is how hover works. And another feature is that we can use the stripped table stripped class. It means that we can see the each contents with the alternative uh, colors. This case of this situation used only when there are a lot of records that are available in a particular table, so that we can understand which content is available in which row or which column. In these cases, we will use the stripped table class or either over. This is to understand which content is we are pointing to. This is one case. So these are the available table classes in the Bootstrap, and we can use these classes in any tables that we are implementing. So if we need to make this row, another case is that if we want to make this row as a default, always we need to have this color or any default color for active. We will use table active so that we can make it sure it is a default one. See, this one will be changed to default. In order to get more clarity, I will just remove this strip class so that you can understand well. When we refresh this, we can see this one will be constant, this color will be constant or always be active, that row will be active always. It means that in case of heading, if we are considering this as a heading, we will make this as an active one. So these are the features available in table class, and I have made this class as active, right? I have considered this as heading. So why we need to use this as a heading in case of row itself, row and data? For that we are having head tag. So in that case, I will show you how it works. If I am providing table, inside table, I am providing the head tag. This tag is for providing the headings inside the tables. So I am providing 3 headings. That will be th, 3 th, because I have three rows. So I am creating 3 headings. So let it be the first name, and next thing is last name. I am creating these 3 itself for the sake of understanding of tag. So I am just creating the same thing itself. Next thing is country. So if I have created this simply using tag, we can see what will be the difference. It will be like this. Here there is no Bootstrap classes applied to that heading, but in case of Bootstrap we can also apply the Bootstrap classes for this heading also. Like I am adding t-head, and I need to make it as t-head dark. If I am using this class, see the heading itself, heading only changes into dark color, and there is only available colors are dark and light. That is what available right now for the Bootstrap for light and dark, and this case works only for the T head tags, and we can see that T head has been changed. This is how the heading tag or head works. And you might have one doubt that what if I have never used table class and I just try to implement table strip or border. We can see what will be the difference. See, nothing happens because I have told you that this is a basic idea, a basic thing that we need to provide in the Bootstrap class. If we provide the table, then it knows that page or that class knows that it is a table class, so it will be automatically changed into a table, and inside that table the border table will be provided to that table itself. See, I think I have made a mistake in this. Yes, now see what happens. Yes, border has been applied. We can see that we can use the table border it's only, and we can see what will be the difference. The table will be bordered, but the design or a built-in design provided by the Bootstrap will not be implemented into that table. It will be a simple table with only borders. That will be the difference. So that we need to use the table class so that it will be decorated more beautifully than what we have used in simple tables. This is how the class for Bootstrap related to tables work, and we can also use multiple or classes provided at this by the Bootstrap at the same time. We don't need to remove one class in order to use another class. We can implement all these classes at the same time itself, as I can also use over table border as well as table over at the same time. If I reload it, I can see what happens. Now the table is border as well as I can get the over also. This is how it works. And what if I need to add the strip table class, so that it should also work. This is how the Bootstrap tables work. See, this first alternative row and third alternative row will be a strip, and if there is another fifth row, it will also be strip. So this is how these are the basic things or basic classes available in Bootstrap in order to design the tables for a particular web page in a decorative manner. So I hope you understand the concept of Bootstrap tables available as built-in classes. So if you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to share the video if you feel helpful. And if you have any clarification about this video, please comment it in the comment box. So have a nice day. Thank you.